Welcome to Art by Kadim, and in this video today that I'll be showcasing to you guys, I'll be drawing another animated character from the animated series called Demon Slayer. It is widely known worldwide now by those who are a big fan of this animated series, including myself. And before we get into this video, I'll just be reminding you guys to like this video, comment and let me know what you think of the video, the drawing, and also comment and let me know what you would like me to draw. Trust me, just drop in the comments and let me know what you would like to see, and I'll go ahead and draw it. Also, I would like you guys to share this video to your friends, your family, your loved ones, those who are also a big fan of the animated series, and let them know about my video. And guys, remember to subscribe. Without your subscription, I won't be able to go farther and be able to show you more of my talents. And it's free of cost, it won't cost you nothing. So hit that subscribe button. I am on the road to about 500 to 1,000 subscribers, and guys, with your help, that would definitely help me. So let's get into the video. It's already started right here. As you see, I have already drawn the eyes of Akaza from the Demon Slayer animated series. I just draw his nose, even though you cannot see well basically from this angle, but yeah. And also I'm here, as you see, I'm trying to go ahead and draw the mouth. So I'll just let you guys watch as I show you how I draw him. So enjoy. Hey guys, so I am back. So seeing that you have already reached this length of this video, you're seeing now that I have already almost, or should I say, almost fully drawn Akaza from the Demon Slayer animated series. I'm just trying to finish up, trying to see if I can be able to draw the full body of this character. Here, as you can see, I'm drawing the hands. Well, I finished the hands, now I'm moving on to the rest of the body in terms of the shirt that he wore. You know, I'm trying to get the final touches, the little details, as you can see here. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I would say that in this drawing that I'm doing, it's showcasing how far I've come. I mean, I could remember when I was a little boy growing up, you know, I would draw a lot of things. The main things I would draw is like the Dragon Ball characters in terms of like Goku, Gohan, you know all of them. So it started from there, and I just continued. Some point I might stop, but truthfully, with a little encouragement, I just make sure I continue to improve my skills. I would say maybe I still need more improvement, but with time I'll get there. So yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch as I finish this drawing. Alright guys, so seeing that you have already reached right here at the end of the video, you can see that the drawing is near to completion, and just trying to get a little details as best as possible as I can. So guys, before this video ends, I just want to remind you guys just to like up this video, comment, tell me what you would like me to draw, tell me what you think of the video. Remember to share this video to your family, to your friends, to your loved ones, and also guys, most important, as I said before, without your subscription I won't be able to move further. So subscribe, tell a friend, and see you in the next video. And also follow me on Instagram at art by Kadeem.